Hello, buddies. Today we are going to practice your high frequency words using a strategy called see it, say it, write it. This strategy has 3 steps. The first part, you have to look at the word. Just look at it. Say it now. Write it. Take your journal and a piece of paper or your pencil and write it 3 times as you say it. Now, now, now. I saw the word with my eyes only. I said the word now, and I wrote the word now. Next word, see it with your eyes only. Some. Now write it 3 times. Some. Say it. Some. Write it. Some. 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 See it. Say it. Write it. Some. 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 You're going to continue with the same thing with the rest of the letters, the rest of your high frequency words. Today, today, today. See it, say it, write it. Way, way, way. Now write it 3 times. See it, eyes only. Say it. Why, why, why. Now write it in your journal. See it, say it, green, green, green. Now write it in your journal. See it, say it, grow, grow, grow. Now write it in your journal. I'm going to keep flashing through the words. See it, eyes only, say it, and write it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Should, should, should. Now write it in your journal. Together, together, together. See it, say it, water, water, water. Any, any, any. Write it. See it, say it, write it. This strategy is going to help you learn your high frequency words. Any. See it, say it. From, from, from. Now write it. From. Happy, 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 happy. Now write it in your journal. Once, once, once. Write it in your journal. Once, So, so, so. See it, say it, write it. So. Upon, upon, upon. See it, say it, write it. Ago, ago, ago. See it, say it, write it. Boy, boy, boy. Girl, girl, girl. How, how, how. Old, old, old. People, people, people. Write it in your journal. After, after, after. By, by, by. See it, say it, done. Write it, done, done, done. Every, every, every. Soon, soon, soon. Work, work, work. I hope this strategy helps you practice your high frequency words.